Hey guys, so as you can see, I'm on the road today. Say hi, guys. Blessing is there in her chair. Um, Outside is looking so dark right now, and it is literally like 3:32. Okay, and then the sun already set. It's winter, guys. Welcome to winter. Okay, so we're gonna go and we're gonna do a little bit of winter shopping, guys. So come with us. So, guys, we're gonna head into Shoes Company and let the kids try on some shoes and go from there. Okay, it is actually very cold outside. Let me see that. You have Crocs already, dude. You don't need any Crocs. I want to Mommy. Sure. Well, this is I mean I like shop with Where at this out, Joe? Oh, let's go. Joe, we're not buying Crocs. You have Crocs. Joe, we have Crocs already. We need to find a winter shoe. Okay. Yeah, no, we're not buying that. I like this brand. I like this shoe. No, we're not buying it. But I don't like okay, so. Okay, let's see. Let's look inside. Here, you see it have like a lining. I really like this brand, but sometimes I find that um it's too short and snow is getting into their shoes. You see them a price here, people? $119. Honestly, I think I'm gonna go with this something like this. It is saying -30. So these are size 4. So they're gonna be a little bit bigger than his foot, but it will serve him for 2 years. They are not buying it. It's winter boots. What do you mean? What's wrong with it? I want to buy the white Crocs. You can wear Crocs, Josiah, in the winter. Can you wear Crocs to school? In summer, not the winter. Okay, summer I will buy you and make you white Crocs. How about that? But right now we have to focus on winter boots. Cool. I like this one for Michaela, but they don't have her size. Maybe Mega bring it up at the cash. It's okay, Sidi. It's okay. Mickey, what is that you're taking down? Put up that. No, we're not buying those shoes today. We're buying winter shoes, okay? Like the my God.
Want me to check this one in what size?
One.
Size 1?
Yeah. I wanted to think with it. Whether this one or this one for Mickey. It's good inside. Okay, guys, so I'm in Walmart. I'm going to try to find some vitamins for the kids, okay? Because one thing with winter, you really need to take your vitamin. We don't get enough sunshine, so this is a part of my winter shopping, guys. Okay, let me see this one. Oh my God, I don't know. Blessing has this one, something like this. I give her vitamin D drops in the morning. Okay, guys, so I decided to go with these ones. Centrum is like a better known brand, and I think this is the one we had last time. I threw the bottle also, I forgot, but I think this is it. So I'm gonna get these ones. Michaela has a terrible cough, so I'm going to try day and night to use the honeybee. Yeah, okay, dry cough, wet cough, irritating cough, okay. I think this is, yeah, maybe make buy the big bottle because she's really coughing a lot. Yeah. Maybe I'm gonna get this one because it's saying nasal and chest congestion, runny nose. Okay, she definitely has that. Dry or wet cough, yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna try to go with this one. We said all these different options. I'm confused. We have Vicks already, which is the vapor. This is vapor shower. This is like Vicks, so we call it Jamaica Vicks. And this one away in a long time, and I see this one, but this one is a good one too. Whatever. I'm telling you guys, when winter come, you have to pack up on these things. What this is for baby, because she too has something. Okay, I just put that back. I didn't want to get anything for blessing because with baby, I don't want to really give her anything, right? Because I'm not sure. Hello, guys. It is now 5:15, and look how outside dark like midnight. 5:15 p.m. guys, no joke. Okay, guys. So the reason why I was only looking for shoes was because I already have like winter suit for Mickey. So this is how it's gonna look. I don't have a hat for her as yet, and I ordered her shoes online. I got this hat for $6. I was like, so cute, I can't leave it. And this is for Josiah, size 8. Right? And his shoes to go with it. I also have some winter mittens for him. I think these were $15, yeah. Okay, I just got black, Mickey had these mittens last year, so she will wear these back this year. It goes with her winter suit, so it's okay. It's good for me. So this is my jacket. I'm thinking of, I had this scarf last year. I'm thinking of changing it, but it seemed to go. And if you know me, you know that burgundy is my favorite color. So we're all ready for winter.